Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today here we have another session of assignment, revision assignment number 2, that is from our poem, small poem for us. Okay, from that poem a small passage is given, not just a teacher but a friend from that poem. I don't want to read this poem because already you have the question paper. So in the question, according to the poet, what does the teacher have to do if he doesn't have time? So according to the poet, what does the teacher have to do if he doesn't have the time? What is this meaning and what is the answer? Once you see, according to the poet, though the teacher doesn't have time, he has to ask the student whether or not he is doing well. Suppose now we both are there, we are interacting with each other. Now you will go to the next class, you will be upgraded. At that time I may not come and take the classes. So at that time at least I have to ask you are well, means here whether you are doing or not, well or not. So how are you? Like this here some, if we are not interacting directly, at least whenever we meet in the breaks at that time, I should have to ask you people, how are you doing? Are you well? Like this here, a teacher should have to ask. Okay, so this is the answer for that. Next one, why was the boy so glad? Why the boy was so happy? Glad means happy, no? So why he was so happy? The boy was so glad because the same teacher of 9th grade was there to console him. Now here this boy, he was very happy that the same teacher was there to console him in the next class also. Means here, wherever he was meeting the teacher was asking him, how are you reading well? Like this here he was asking. So at that time, whenever he go to upgraded also, means here when he went to the next classes, further classes also, he was not feeling very bored because the same teacher is there to ask his well. Next one, and this is what makes you, what does the word you refer to? And this is what makes you. Here, what is the word you refers to and what is the meaning of that? You refers to the 9th grade teacher. In this poem, you means here the teacher who is with the friendly nature with the boy. Why does the student fail to estimate the teacher correctly? Now here, why the student failed to estimate the teacher correctly? Means here, he thought that here, if he go to the next class, when he was upgraded to the next class, the boy thought that here the teacher may not take care of me, he thought. So why he was underestimated like this? The student failed to estimate the teacher correctly because he thinks that the trust between the teacher and him will disappear by the passage of time. So now the boy thought that here, when he go to the upgraded, when he went to the next classes, the boy thought that here there will be the relationship between these two people may fade as he had upgraded to the next class. He thought like this, but it is not correct. A correct teacher, a good teacher will always take care of his or her students. Next one, how does the poet glorify the relationship between the teacher and the student? How this poet mentioned the relationship between this teacher and the student. How the relationship between the teacher and the student should be actually. Okay, friendly nature should be there so that the student can communicate with the teacher and also they can rectify the doubts very elaborately. Okay, so now here the poet glorifies the relationship between the teacher and the student by saying that the student trusts his teacher. First of all, trust should be there between the teacher and the student. So means here mutual cooperation. In times of trouble, the teacher brings out the real spirit of the student to face the problems. At the time of odd times, the teacher will bring out the real soul out of the student so that he can inspire. Next, the relationship between the teacher and the student is not just limited to learning but also extended to friendship. Only the teacher and the student relationship means just explanation and listening. That is not the relationship between the student and the teacher. But gradually, by the time passes, the relationship between the student and the teacher, it will be elaborated, it will be extended, it will be cemented. Okay. By the passage of the time, their trust becomes stronger and stronger. By the time passes, their trust between the teacher and the student, we said that cooperation between them, it will totally, it fixes, it will develops a lot, like our friendship, means cemented, we will call it simply. It never fades, it never fails and it never decreases. The student and the teacher remember each other. So in this situation, the teacher and the child, they will remember each other. Okay, so in this regarding, I have one experience. In our classes, I'll explain that experience. Okay, ma'am? So till then, you have to take care, and we have concluded the session. And till then, we will meet again in another session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.